friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between the Poco X2 versus the Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see right now, I'm using the Poco X2 and the Poco X3 smartphone. So let's see which loudspeaker will be the best. And we all know that the Poco X3 has a dual loudspeaker setup. And let's compare the dual stereo speaker setup versus a single bottom facing speaker setup in the Poco X2 smartphone. Let's see which will be the best in terms of the audio quality, and I'll try to apply the same audio in both the phones, and I'll try to increase the audio gradually so that you can actually listen to the audio coming from the speaker. And the speaker placement, as you can see, there's a difference in terms of the speaker locations as well. In the Poco X3 it got moved to the right side, so I feel the right side is a good location because when you're playing the games you hold the phone in this way so that the speaker won't get blocked easily because the speaker is in the top region here. So these me friends who will be seeing this kind of small details as well when I compare with the other smartphones. So now let me try to play the same audio in both the phones. And in case if you're wondering what wallpapers I'm using in both the smartphones, punch holes and dual punch hole wallpapers, try to check the playlist for the wallpapers. So not only that, but even there is a playlist available for the Poco X3 as well. Try to check the playlist of the Poco X3 in case if you want to know more details about the Poco X3. So let's get started with by playing the same audio in both the smartphones, Poco X2 and the Poco X3 device. So first let me try to play the audio file in the Poco X2 device. So first let's listen with the single speaker setup, and then we'll choose with the dual stereo speaker setup. So let me try to play the audio right now. So I'll try to keep the phone facing on the table so that you can actually get to know the sound as well. So let me try to start the audio by increasing gradually. So now you got to know the audio in the Poco X2. So now let me try to play the Poco X3 as well. So let me start the audio. So one thing I did observe is that even at the high volume in the Poco X2 smartphone, so you won't feel any vibrations in the backside, this kind of area. So there is zero vibrations in the Poco X2. But if you play with a high volume in the Poco X3 device, you definitely feel some kind of vibrations going on in the backside. So that is what I did observe during this loudspeaker test. When I am holding both phones in both hands, then I realized that there is no vibration going on in the Poco X2, and in the Poco X3 there's a vibrations going on in the high volume. So that vibrations is not that much, but still it's noticeable when you are holding in your hand. So that is what I did feel while doing this kind of test. So now let me try to close the bottom facing speaker and just listen to the top facing speaker. So that's it friends, is a quick loudspeaker comparison between both of the smartphones, but overall still the dual stereo speaker setup is mind-blowing in the Poco X3 device. I did like this kind of sound, having the very good loudspeaker setup. So definitely friends, nowadays we are getting so many phones with the mid-range segment as well, with this kind of trend going on, dual stereo speaker setup. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. And that's it for this quick comparison, and see you in the next video friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.